Alright, we've got a mattress and it's fairly old and pretty dirty. And what we're going to do, we're going to run an extractor over it first. We haven't put any cleaning chemical down at all. We're going to try to extract it first just to get any loose dirt and everything out. Then we're going to go ahead and put a pre-spray on it and scrub it in. And then we're going to extract it one more time when that's done. So the first time we go over this, and we're just going to do it pretty briefly. The first time we go over this, it's probably not going to see anything coming out, but we'll get any, loose soils and everything. We'll get them out and into the water. And we're using cold water in the machine instead of hot water because we don't want to set any stains. And for a pre-spray, we're using basically Fabuloso, which is a neutral pH. So if you do happen to have some residue that you didn't get, it's no big deal because it's not going to be sticky or anything. It's not going to help.
I'm going to just start up.
Yeah, go ahead and fire it up. And this is just this isn't going to be real impressive at first because we're just kind of getting the loose dirt out. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here because you get the basic idea of what he's doing, and I'll turn it back on when we're getting ready to scrub the mattress. So keep watching. Alright, he finished that initial extraction. And there's kind of what the water he picked up looks like.
That's with no spray or scrubbing. That's just water only on a, so it's got dirt in it.
Okay, and I just sprayed the mattress down fairly well with our pre-spray now. And he's going to get it's a car polisher with some pads on it. So it's going to scrub and not absorb. And he's going to start scrubbing the mattress down a little bit now. And some of these stains are probably not going to budge because they're so old.
No, some of this stuff is permanent, but it's okay. But this machine will scrub if it don't come out with this. We just got it, so we haven't bought any bonnets for it yet. But this will definitely pre-scrub the mattress.
say, I'd walk along this side and be halfway in, and go to the other side and be halfway in, it'd be easier.
It is bottoming it up.
I'm gonna pause the video once again because he's still gonna be working on this a little while, and I'll come back when we're gonna do the final extraction on the mattress. So keep watching. All right, we finally finished scrubbing the mattress down, and he's getting ready to start extracting. trying to get the hose situated. And so all we're really picking up now is what's been loosened by the scrubbing, and we're picking up our pre-spray.
Okay.
getting low on water.
I am. I'm out of water. I'm going to change, put some fresh water. Let's see what the water looks like up to this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's what it looks like. Coffee with cream and sugar in it.
Yeah, I was going to say, give me a cup. Yeah, there is a little bit of streaking here. What he usually do, he's going to go over this whole thing, and then we'll go back and make some dry only passes just to suck up any water, and that's where the streaking's going to come out. And there are some permanent, there is a little bit of this that's going to be permanent. We don't want to attack it too aggressively because we don't want to, mess up the fabric on the mattress, but it's going to be cleaner. Sometimes you have a permanent stain you can never get 100% rid of, but you still have a clean surface. It just doesn't look perfect.
For the sake of saving time, everybody's kind of seeing what we're doing. We'll shut the camera off, finish the bed, and then show an after.
Yeah, we'll just show you what it looks like when it's
finally
finally done.
This is not going to be perfect, but it's going to be a lot clearer, and it was real dirty to start with. Had a lot of yellow stains and stuff on it, so it's a vast improvement.
So keep watching. We'll show you when we kind of get this wrapped up. All right. We had to add water a couple times. There's some streaks here. These will dry. That's just from the running the tool. Came out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's an old mattress, and some of the stains have been in there for years. So all in all, pretty good.
If you go back to the beginning of the video, you can see it was big, huge, like the size of pizza trays, yellow stains, and a lot of them came out. So
one of the secrets to cleaning mattresses at home, this isn't when you hire someone to come out because you'd have to bring them out again and again, but if you have the equipment to do it yourself, if you will clean your mattress like once a month, you're going to get stuff out on the second try that you didn't get on the first try. It's going to get cleaner and cleaner and cleaner, and then you can maintain it. So if you can't get everything on the first try without over-soaking the mattress, just wait, and maybe a month later, do it again. And it gets easier each time, too. The first cleaning is the hard one because you got to get everything that you can out. After that, it's a little easier, just going after basically the stained areas. But hopefully that gives you an idea. One of the ways we clean a mattress, we use other little tricks sometimes, too, but this is a real basic one. So check the video description for anything else that we may have in there. And we will have a link in there to our Amazon Influencer store where you can find rug doctors and hoses and accessories and everything else you need to do this type of work.
And that handheld tool, we don't sell that exact one on our Amazon Influencer store.
No, it's just a basic car polisher. We sell others on there.
Yeah.
If you have a Harbor Freight nearby, you can get one from there that's just like it. Or you can buy them off Amazon. We have them in our store. So hope this was informative and hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, thanks for watching.